Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and I added a few fills to the stack. That's the Austrian Silver Vienna Philharmonic, meant to celebrate probably I'm pretty sure it's the world's most renowned orchestra over there in Vienna, Austria. I forgot which side is the reverse or obverse. I'm going to say this is the reverse. You can correct me later. It says Vienna Philharmonic. Has a cello, a bunch of violins, a harp, a bassoon, and a horn. And on this side, we have the great organ of the Golden Hall. And it says Republic of Austria, 1 ounce fine silver. This is a 2017 coin, €1.50. So pretty cool. Fun fact, the €1.50 is only considered legal tender in Austria. So none of the countries in the European Union can technically recognize this as currency, which I found strange, but I'm pretty sure anyone will take it. It's silver. The one thing I don't like about this coin is the smooth edge. Look at that. As far as I'm concerned, smooth edges on coins is gross. All right. This is the most popular silver coin coming out of Europe. The mintages used to be really high. It was like 11 million, 17 million, 14 million. Just a lot of coins that were pumping out every year. It was that popular. It celebrated Vienna's rich musical history with the Vienna Philharmonic. And I think it was just a really good boost of culture that kind of swept the whole continent for some reason. But these days, the mintage numbers are more around 4 million and 3 million. So I'm wondering what happened. I think it's still more popular than something like the Britannia. The Britannia, I think it barely hits 1 million every year, if that much, because it used to be more like 100,000. But yeah, so I'm wondering, to my European subscribers, what's the popularity level of the Silver Philharmonic these days? Has it really dwindled? Because as the mintage numbers indicate. Also, has it dwindled because of the sale prices I'm always seeing for these guys? $1.69, 99 cents above spot. These coins are almost always on sale, perpetually on sale in the United States, either through APMEX or Provident or Government or what have you. I always see these things on sale. That's the only reason I really grab them, if I'm being honest. Because they're always on sale, and silver, even though, ew, gross, look at that edge, nasty. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video to ask that question. What's up with the Philharmonic over in Europe? Do you stack in Europe? Let me know. What year are these? These are 2008s. Oh, these are 2008s? Oh, this is live. Oh my gosh, this is not, I didn't even look at these. This is the first year of issue. Yeah, so these are, this is the first year the Silver Philharmonic came out. The gold ones came out in like 87 or 89 or something, and then it took them a long time to come out with the silver one. This is cool. I didn't even know that. I have 3 first years. I gotta check the other ones. They might all be 2008. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's Philharmonics. I don't know. I don't think there's any premiums or any kind of collectible value for the Phils, but that's pretty cool to have some first years and then to have a bunch of them. I really got to check them. All right, this video is over. I got to go check. I'm not even making this up. Anyway, this video is over. I'm going to go check the rest and see what they are. And to my European subscribers, once again, please let me know what the current condition is of the popularity for the Phils. Are they still popular? Are they still the go-to silver of Europe? Let me know, because I gotta run and go back to the stack and see what's going on. Oh yeah, I'm Southside Stacker. Don't forget to like and subscribe.